I've just taken pause to show you what feed out time looks like when we don't have the trailer to unload. I've come out with wheelbarrows and it's chaos. So the lambs seem like they're in good order. You'd never know it, but there's 2 lines of bailage over there. They love it. And ye old cows just couldn't wait. I'll be bringing another couple of barrows in for them today. Oh, you hungry little sheepies? Hey! Just don't shit all over it. Hello, what do you want? Alright cows, got your own personal feeding trough there, eh? Let's go dump this, come on. Well, here I am with the second 2 wheelbarrows full, and I swear it's just a fucking game to these guys. I think Hungus is about to have her way with them sheep. Size versus quantity. Come on, Hungy, get in there. Alright, better go sort this out. Well, they're all fed out now. They ended up tipping that wheelbarrow over. Little shits. It's so nice seeing them enjoy the food though. You can see the state of our grass. It's pretty much a green carpet, non-existent. The ewes are significantly less used to being fed and quite suspicious of the food, so I've banged the thing on the gate to try and tell them to try and trick them into thinking that they're going to go through the gate, which they like to do. You can see they're suspicious. But because they particularly like to shit all over their food, I've just left the whole wheelbarrow in there to hope that they might treat it like a trough and not literally shit where they eat. I'll back off a bit and see if they come up to it. Oh, this is familiar. Me hiding behind trees waiting to see if they're going to eat the food I've put out for them. Ah, it's a futile game. I have definitely learnt that sheep can outweigh me any day. Lost in this cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. Dark echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. One brave sheep to lead the meal. She's a nibble. There's probably going to be an onslaught of sheep around that thing. We won't even know there's a wheelbarrow there. Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths of my creativity as I fly high. Yeah, now they got wind of it. Now they've got wind of it. The trip hop grooves wrap around my very being. Four place rhymes the soundtrack to what I'm seeing. Abstract thoughts flow through these astral dimensions. Girls. Eat up, ladies. Eat up. Grow them lammies nice and big. They're not too big. Just big enough. It's the middle wheelbarrow. I think any time they kick it, they give each other a fright. Let's crack up. It's just after 6 in the morning, and here comes the truck to get our store lambs, which aren't going to store, they're going to auction.
Some smearing of shit on them. How good.
Can't see much. Things surely are looking a little different around here now after our 3 days of intense rain. Our rain gauge says that we got more rain than we did in Cyclone Gabrielle just less wind. And these brave poor animals suffered their way through all of that, night after night, getting wet and upset and cold, but we've given them a big feed. They're all into it. You can see all the other little piles we've made of feeding them out over the last few days. Not quite sure if you can see it from here, but we've absolutely ripped the ground up with the tractor. And look at this. Over the road, one hell of a good slip. She's a whopper. You can see right down the bottom there is a farm track, which is a little bit covered. Branched down on one of our trees, which I think the cows have encouraged down, and between the sheep and the cows have stripped it bare of all its leaves. That's right, I didn't want that tree anyway, got to cut it out. Well done, stock animals. Feed out time.